Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing the first startup of the Goldstar window air conditioner. Then next will be mine. Not today, but I will do a startup of my air conditioner. But I did clean it. Grill's cleaned. It is really clean. So yeah, we'll start on high fan. Same as always. It's clean, so it blows a lot more than it did. Alright, now we'll do the compressor. Oh, that was perfect. It was running earlier, but I like the air conditioner. And it actually like gets really cold really fast now. It's freezing now. The tune's starting to change again. Well, obviously because it was running earlier. I don't have that much time, so. It always does that, like the tune's about the tune's changing and it goes back to the same it was. The air is really cold. Alright. That's it for that. And just for the video, I will do a startup of the Cameron Alaskan. I don't know what speed it's on. Let me see what that is. I think that just turned it off. Oh, yeah. I want to do 0 to high. All right. The blades are really loose on this thing for some reason. I will get around to cleaning this thing. And the pull chain fell in, so I have the tape right there. And once the downstairs white Westinghouse gets put in the window, I will do a video of that. So yeah, that's the Goldstar and Cameron, Alaska ceiling fan startup of spring of 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And goodbye.